Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Tonight, we're exploring the stunning Temple of Hadrian, a must-see in Rome. Let's dive in. The Temple of Hadrian is a hidden gem. Standing tall at Piazza della Rotonda, it's often overlooked by nightfall. But once the twilight fades and the moonlight shines, it's a different story. This temple, an architectural wonder, stands like a Roman colossus in the middle of the square. As we stand underneath its grand arches, we are transported to ancient times. Its powerful facade seems to defy time itself. It's a sight to behold, especially when illuminated by a soft moonlit glow. Enjoy the sceneries. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.
You can buy it off of Amazon. That's cool.
Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more amazing travel destinations. Until next time.